What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are back up at the new job. In the last video I made here, I said that yesterday me and Rodrigo would be working on the garage, getting the house wrap on and installing the windows, but obviously that didn't happen. Plans got changed. We ended up working at our Dutchess yard yesterday, but today we have a full crew here. We're splitting up between the two buildings. We're going to put a couple guys on the garage to get all of the house wrap done, get the windows cut out. Well, the first floor windows, the second floor ones are already cut out. And then if they get all that done, get the window tape in and get at least the upper windows installed. The rest of us are going to be working on getting this house framed, at least the first floor walls. So we have to go around and set all the plates and whatnot, and then obviously we can frame the walls after that. We did get a lot of material delivered over the weekend. We have some pallets of lumber over here. Windows and stuff are in the garage. A whole stack of plywood is in the garage as well. And our mason dump is full of trash. I'm gonna have to take that and run to the dump at some point to get that emptied. But I'm gonna set this up on a time lapse while we start to frame, and we'll see how far we can get today.
Let's go.
All right, guys, we just finished up lunch. We were getting back to work. We have the 3 front walls up. Those are super simple. 3 small walls. We have one of these side entryway walls in as well. We got to replicate it over there on the side, but we're using that to climb up. We have our little step ladder there, so we're holding off on that one. And then we have the far back section up as well. The wall on the garage side down there is pretty much framed. We're just cleaning up a couple little spots right now, and then we're gonna stand that up and then we'll keep moving on. Our plan is to have all of these walls up today. The interior walls will go quick once we get these exterior walls up, but we do have a wall here, one wall there, a little short one there. This is a indoor outdoor fire pit, so I believe there's going to be like a glass partition in the middle or something. I'm not exactly sure how it's designed, but there's a wraparound deck here, and the fire pit is going to be accessible from outside and also inside. Alright guys, we're just getting cleaned up for the day. We got all of the walls except for a couple small ones thrown up. This is the front entryway here, so you'll come in off a big wraparound porch, and then you have two little cubbies on each side here. Guest bedroom right here to the right with a closet on this side. There's a bathroom over here. There's a little 2x4 wall we still have to throw in there. You have a hallway out to another door to the deck. This is a little entryway here with a laundry room right here, and then this is like a little boiler room. Come back out into the hallway around here. This is a half bath here, just a toilet and a sink. Then you have a pantry right here off of the dining room, which is wrapping around to another door all the way to the big deck. And then you have a big open kitchen, living room, and dining room area, which is this whole area here. Stairwell right here to upstairs, and then under that piece of plywood is where the hatch down into the basement or crawl space is. But good progress on the house today. Let's go take a look at the garage and see how much they got done. You got window tape on, house wrap all around. They got the back all the way up to the ridge. We only had 2 guys on this, and they got a couple rows, looks like 2.5 rows around the side here. Window tape on as well, and then you come around to the front where they still have to get house wrap on. So probably another, hopefully less than a day, but with only 2 guys, it'll probably take a good part of the day tomorrow to get the garage buttoned up. But we'll be back here. I believe we'll have a full crew here again tomorrow, so there'll be another big push, hopefully a lot of progress tomorrow as well. But that is going to wrap it up for this one. If you guys have any questions or comments, definitely leave them down below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys next time. Peace.